Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to upload a project on GitHub. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Make sure you're logged in with your GitHub account. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, choose your repositories. On the repositories page, click the green button that says New. This will take you to a new page where you can create a repository for your project. In the repository name field, type the name of your project. This should match the folder name on your local computer, but it's not required. Under the description box, write a few words about what your project does or what it is for. This part is optional, but it's helpful for others who may visit your repository. Next, choose whether you want your project to be public or private. Public means anyone on the internet can see it. Private means only you or people you invite can view it. Below that, check the box that says Add a README file. A README file helps others understand what your project is about. You can edit it later. After filling in all the details, scroll down and click on Create Repository. GitHub will now take you to your new repository page. At the top, click on the Add File button. From the drop-down, select Upload Files. Now you'll see a screen where you can drag and drop files. Go to your computer and find the folder or files for your project. You can drag them directly into this space. If you prefer, you can also click the Choose Your Files button and browse to select files manually. Wait for your files to finish uploading. If your project is large, it might take a few minutes. Once everything is uploaded, scroll down and click the Commit Changes button. This will save your project files to your GitHub repository. Your project is now uploaded. If you want to change the description or other details, just click the pencil icon next to the repository title or README file. That's it. Thank you for watching.